Hi, so a lot of you have been asking me to talk more about NIFT, so here I am. This is actually going to be a series where I share everything about NIFT, the experience, the reality, the truth, the fun part, and also not so fun part. So hi and welcome to NIF Narratives episode 1. Okay, so I studied at NIFT, right? And you would think design school actually teaches you whatever you need to know to become a designer. But let me tell you, it's not. There are so many things I only learned the hard way, like doing internships, client projects, and honestly just messing up a lot. So at NIFT or any design school, we spend like days perfecting a poster or a branding project, but in an internship or a job you just get like few days or just even sometimes an hour. And surprisingly it taught me that done is better than perfect. I remember while doing my internship I had to design a logo in just one day. So in class you get this neat, clear, organized brief with clear instructions, but in real life clients are like, make it modern, minimalist, but at the same time add more details, and you're just sitting there like, what do you actually want? One thing I've learned is half of the design is mostly communication and not visual. So here's a real talk. In internship, the feedback can be little brutal. Like you spend hours doing an illustration and then your mentor comes to you and says that, can we try something different? And it stinks. But design school actually don't teach you how to detach your ego from your design. That's something you only learn by surviving rounds and rounds of revisions. One more thing that design school doesn't tell you is half of your opportunity comes from who you know. I actually learned a lot from all my industry mentors during internship, things that no classroom could teach. So your design school actually gives you the base, but people give you the shortcuts. The actual lessons comes from deadline feedback and the real world of design. But honestly, that's also what makes the field so fun, because you are not just designing logos or posters, you are designing your own way of learning. Okay, now I'm curious, what's one thing that your job or school didn't prepare you for? Drop it in the comments and let's make this a group therapy session.